Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name's Tommy J, and in today's video I'm gonna do a speed draw. So I'm gonna do this cute space girl kind of thing, and we are gonna be doing this on my iPad Pro. I'm gonna be using the app Procreate, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty chill videos. I get like the initial sketch going, then I kind of go in and I'm adding more details for the clothes. I don't know, my sketches are never like perfect. I always end up cleaning up a lot of my work whenever I'm doing the coloring and base layers and adding shadows and contouring and things like that. So that's when I really kind of like shape everything back into like what it needs to be. So my initial sketching is like really rough, and it's just trying to get like the actual shape, outline, and where I'm gonna place certain things for when I start coloring, and just getting a general overview of like what's the drawing gonna actually look like. And I start to add my base layers, so there's just like the flat colors for each primary sections of the drawing. And then after I get like my base layers set, I make another layer, and that's when I start doing all of the shading. I usually start off with the shadows first, so I'll go in with the darker colors related to the base colors and shade and blend those colors together to make sure that I get them in the right spots. So I think for this one I'm gonna do like a purple for her skin, and so all the shadows I'm gonna do this dark purple, and then like cute like blue, like metallic looking top is what I'm going for here. And then I'm gonna start going in for the makeup and just making sure that I am getting in all the dark parts of the makeup in first. Those are a lot easier for me to like get like a general outline. I'm gonna go in a little bit more with some contouring. I like purple. I like the way this is really looking. This is looking really cute. And I'm getting the lips going, and the lips, I'm gonna make sure that I get all the details in for the lips. I think I'm gonna do a cute like pink hair look. I really kind of went back and forth on what color I was gonna do for the hair, but I think big pink hair is like gonna look super cute. Reminds me of Steven's mom from Steven Universe, so I think that's what I was thinking about when I did this. But gonna go in with the hair, and I'm using the airbrush tool to blend in a lot of the shadows for that. And then I'm gonna start getting that whole outline going and the highlights going for the hair. Since it's pink, I'm gonna go in for a darker pink in order to get the shadows going for that. After that, I'm gonna start going in and doing a little bit more details on like her little clothing plate thing, and doing a lot more details in for the clothing. It's kind of like a spacesuit, cute metallic girl thing. I don't know what I was going for, but I do know that I was really going in on the details. It's probably one of the more detailed clothing pieces that I've done in any of my other drawings, so I'm actually pretty proud of like how detailed I went in with this. And then at the last moment I ended up changing the color of that blue. It was like that tealish green color, and I was like, I don't really like that. I want it to be more blue, more of like a cerulean blue. Not that it like matters how blue it is, but anyways, into the hair again. Now I haven't really done too many pieces with curly hair, so I was kind of struggling with how I was gonna do the highlights and things like that. I do want to do a lot more pieces with like really big curly neon hair, so that's what I was going for here. And so I went in with the shadows first, getting those dark spots in, and then I went in and did some highlights with like a lighter pink to like trying to give it like a little bit more dimension. I added in some more of the dark pink to give the super dark shadows like a little bit room for those to be in there. And then like I started going in with some of like the neon brushes and the light brushes to give it like this like really bright look. And so once I got all that together, it kind of started to come a little bit more together. It was really more a trial and error kind of thing, just kind of trying to get the highlights and shadows to balance to where it looks like it's giving dimension to the hair, but I want it to look like it's kind of like a glowing effect. Anyways, I went in with the light brush, added in some more cute neon effects, and did like this cute little thing on her head that goes around her neck, like a necklace kind of thing. And then the background was pretty easy. I kind of just added like some stars, and I did this like airbrushed rainbow effect in the background. But yeah, this is the final product. It's super cute. It's been a minute since I've done like a Galactica Girl drawing, but I like the way this one turned out. I want to do some more big curly hair drawings in some of my next videos, so we'll see what we can come up with. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the drawing in the comments, and let me know if you guys like the talk over videos, or should I do like a speed draw where it's just kind of like some vibey music in the background. I'm not entirely sure yet, so I think I might do that on the next video just to see how that works out, because it's kind of just me like talking through my thought process. So if you guys enjoy watching my speed draw videos, or if you guys want to see more art content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and go ahead and like this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video.